Good morning to the respected and chief guests and teachers present, my dear friends. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day on this occasion. I would like to say thank my class teacher for giving me an opportunity to speak about this day. My friends, we celebrate Independence Day as the national festival of India. The day marks the anniversary of national independence from the British Empire on 15 August 1947. Furthermore, it is the most auspicious day for the people of India because India becomes after lots of hardships and sacrifice of the brave Indian freedom fighters. Furthermore, from that day onwards, 15 August become a very important day in Indian history and in the hearts of every Indian. Also, entire the nation celebrates this day with the full spirit of patriotism. My friends, after independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was chosen as the first Prime Minister of India. Moreover, he unfurled our tricolor flag at the Red Fort in the national capital, New Delhi, for the first time. From there onwards, every year we celebrate Independence Day at the Red Fort, New Delhi. In addition, the army performs many tasks that also include a march past. Many tasks that also include a march past and cultural programs by school students. In addition, we celebrate Independence Day to remember the lives that and sacrificed to gain this freedom, as they are the ones who struggled for our country. Furthermore, on this day we forget our differences and unite as one true nation should. My dear, at last I would like to say that our country is the best. We are proud to be Indians. We love it. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.